This is where locals shop, tourists explore, and food lovers lose control. Welcome to Vivacity Megamall, Kuching's most popular lifestyle hub. If you're visiting Kuching or living here, chances are you've heard of Vivacity Megamall. It's not just a shopping center. It's a go-to destination for shopping, dining, entertainment, and comfort, all under one roof. With air-conditioned walkways connecting to nearby hotels, a wide range of international and local brands, and some of the best restaurants in town, it's no wonder both locals and tourists keep coming back. Today, I'm taking you on a full walkthrough from lower ground floor all the way up to level 3, highlighting what makes this mall so special, including two of my favorite spots, Jordan Hong Kong Restaurant and Oriental Kopi. Let's go! We start at the lower ground floor, home to Everrise Marketplace, a modern supermarket perfect for groceries, fresh produce, snacks, and daily essentials. Whether you're stocking up or grabbing last-minute souvenirs, this is the place to start. Head up to the ground floor, and you'll find fashion favorites like Uniqlo, Padini Concept Store, and Brands Outlet. Great for affordable wardrobe upgrades. There's also Habib Jewels, mobile service centers like Maxis, and gift shops like A Gift with Care, ideal for quick stops. Now move up to level 1, and that's where the big players shine. This level is anchored by Parkson, one of Malaysia's most well-known department stores, offering everything from cosmetics and women's fashion to home goods and accessories. Beside Parkson, you'll find Harvey Norman, which actually spans level 1 and level 2, making it a one-stop shop for electronics, appliances, furniture, and even gaming gear. So whether you're upgrading your phone, buying new clothes, or picking out a smart TV, levels lower ground to 1 have got you covered. Now let's step onto level 2, where practical meets lifestyle. Tech lovers, don't miss SenQ, a go-to for smartphones, laptops, headphones, and smart home gadgets. Always well-stocked and staffed with knowledgeable reps. Bookworms and students, head straight to popular bookstore. Whether you're looking for school textbooks, novels, stationery, or gifts, this is the place. And for home organization and everyday solution, check out Kaison and Mr. DIY. Both offer clever storage tools, kitchenware, cleaning supplies, and DIY items that locals love. Together, these stores make level 2 a quiet but essential stop for everyday needs, perfect before or after a movie or meal. Now we reach level 3, the true heartbeat of Vivacity Megamall. This is where the energy explodes with entertainment and dining. First up, TGV Cinemas, one of the top cinema experiences in Kuching, with multiple screens and comfortable sitting. perfect for catching the latest Hollywood blockbuster or local hit. Families and kids, don't miss Kidzoonia, a safe indoor playground where little ones can climb, slide, and play in a secure environment. Gamers and thrill seekers, check out Molly Fantasy, a lively games arcade packed with claw machines, racing simulators, rhythm games, and prize booths. Great for teens and adults alike, especially after a long shopping session. And for home improvement lovers, surprise! Mr. DIY Plus is located right here on level 3. Bigger than the regular Mr. DIY, it carries an even wider range of household items, tools, lighting, and decor. But let's be honest, most people come to level 3 for one thing: the food. From Haidilao Hot Pot to Sushi Zenmai, Johnny's Restaurant, and Go Noodle House, there's no shortage of options. But today, I visited two of my personal favorites. At Jordan Hong Kong Restaurant, I kept it light but satisfying. I ordered 3 things: shrimp wonton soup, poached eggs, Portuguese egg tarts. Let's talk about the shrimp wonton soup first. Look at that golden clear broth. The wontons are plump and packed with real fresh shrimp. Bouncy, succulent, and full of flavor. The broth is light, clean, and perfectly seasoned. Honestly, one of the best I've had in Kuching. The poached eggs, perfectly cooked, runny yolk, silky texture. A dash of soy sauce and cracked pepper brings them to life. Simple but done just right. And for dessert, the Portuguese egg tart. Look at that crust. Flaky, crumbly, slightly charred on top. Inside, the custard is smooth, creamy, and fresh, not dry at all. Rich, sweet, and absolutely satisfying. Overall, Jordan delivers authentic Cantonese flavors with consistent quality. Definitely worth a visit. Just a short walk from Jordan is Oriental Kopi, one of the most popular eateries in the mall. I ordered 3 items: Oriental Hainanese chicken rice wings, Oriental polo bun, and hot Oriental Kopi. The chicken rice set comes with fragrant chicken broth rice, a tender chicken wing, a small bowl of tauge, bean sprout soup, and 2 sauces, chili and ginger. The portion is generous. The chicken is juicy and the rice is aromatic. Comfort food at its finest. Now, the star of the show, the Oriental polo bun. Look at that crunch. Golden crust, soft and fluffy inside. Served hot with 2 thick slabs of butter and a generous pour of condensed milk. We cut it into 4 pieces, still huge. Every bite is buttery, sweet, and totally indulgent. No wonder people come just for this. And to wash it down, a piping hot cup of Oriental Kopi. Strong, rich, slightly sweet, with that classic Malaysian coffee aroma. It pairs perfectly with the polo bun. Hands down, one of the best afternoon treats in Kuching. So why is Vivacity Megamall so popular? Because it's more than just a mall. It's a one-stop destination where you can shop at major brands like Uniqlo, Padini, Parkson and Harvey Norman. Find books and tech at Popular and SenQ. Catch a movie at TGV Cinemas. Keep kids entertained at Kidzoonia. Have fun at Molly Fantasy Arcade. Grab home essentials at Mr. DIY Plus and Kaison. And treat yourself to incredible food at Jordan and Oriental Kopi. All in a clean, spacious, air-conditioned environment. Whether you're a tourist looking for convenience and comfort, or a local enjoying a weekend out, this mall delivers. If you enjoyed this tour of Vivacity Megamall, please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe for more Kuching food and travel guides, and hit the bell so you never miss an update. Let me know in the comments, have you tried the polo bun at Oriental Kopi? Or do you prefer the wanton soup at Jordan? What's your favorite spot on level 3? Molly Fantasy, TGV or the food court? Until next time, happy shopping and even happier eating!